Good evening, Ma'am Bless. This is my Good Vibes News Report. Student Kindness Project brings smiles to local community. Davao City, Philippines. A simple act of kindness is making a big impact in one local community. A group of senior high school students launched a kindness project aimed at helping elderly residents by delivering food, pack, and handwriting letters of encouragement. This initiative was started as a small class activity but quickly grew with the support of teachers, parents, and local volunteers. According to the student, the goal of the project is to spread hope and positive, especially to those who might feel alone. We wanted to show that even small action can make someone's day brighter. One student shared, the elder reci- recipient expressed gratitude and joy upon receiving the food pack and letters. Many said the message made them feel remembered and valued. Local officials praised the students for their compassion and initiative, calling to the project an inspiration to the community. Plans are already underway to continue the program and reach more residents in the coming months. This heartwarming story reminds us to kind with share creates ripples of hope that can brighten even the toughest days. That's all. Thank you.